Here's the way I look at life. Each one of us is just a sequence of words away from having everything make sense, or at least gaining more clarity. So, if you're ready to make a micro investment in you and walk through topics like blowing up what you built, tuning out the noise, becoming that transitional character, improving your health, your relationships, advancing in your career, then you found the right place. Welcome to a very special Learn from People Who Lived It. Welcome to episode 2, Tuning Out the Noise.